Hi, welcome to this video. You can use the built-in Files app on your iPhone to find, open, organize, and share your documents, photos, and downloaded files in one central place. You could also convert a photo to a PDF file, right? You can see right here under Quick Actions, optimize file size, and you can also convert from a photo to like PDF file, etc. Right? So you can go ahead and edit the photo too if you want to. Right? You can see right here the 3 lines. You can see the rest of the files if you want to switch from within. Okay, so you can also rename the file, duplicate, or treat it like a desktop but for iPhone. Right? You can create a new file and hide or place the photos, certificates, whatever inside this photo, right? Inside this folder. Okay, and you can also share, as we said, and move the files around. Right? So basically, that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribing. You can also hit the 3 dots here, tap select, choose more than one photo, for example, or more than one document, and tap the 3 dots here at the bottom right. You can compress as a zip file, right? Add tags, copy the file if you want to, right? And of course, you can delete it or move it to somewhere else. So consider liking this video, subscribing, really helps with the channel.